E. Q and U sound qu. Queen. Queen. Do you guys see the beautiful queen? She is a beautiful queen. Hi guys, welcome to Nana and Resa Channel. So today I'm gonna teach you vowel E. So this is letter E. So today we're gonna learn vowel E, letter E. E. We have two E's over here, so it's called WE. When the sound called long E, like this. E. Like that. Word family. First, let's start. When we start first, we have to remember letter E, sound E. So letter E in one sound eh. So this is sound E, like letter E. E, long. Word family. So now let's start. Sound E, sh. E, sheep. Two times, sh. E, sheep. One more, sh. E, sheep. So do you guys see the picture of sheep? Sheep is white. So that is sheep. So now let's go to the second one. Oh, when we go to the second one, I will tell you something. S and H sound sh. Like that. Say repeat after me 2 times. Sh. One more. Sh. Yes, just like that. So now let's go to the second. Sound E, ch. C and H sound ch. C and H sound ch. Say with me 2 times. Ch. And one more. Ch. So sound E, ch. E, cheese. Cheese. Like that. 2 times more. Ch. E, cheese. One more. Ch. E, cheese. Okay? Do you guys know cheese? Cheese is for mouse. Look, this is the picture of cheese. Cheese, do you guys like to eat cheese? Yes or no? Come on, you can come on. So let's go to the third one. Sound E. Q and U sound qu. Sound qu. 72 times. Qu. One more. Qu. E, queen. 2 times more. Qu. E, queen. One more. Qu. E, queen. Do you guys see the beautiful queen? She is a beautiful queen. So say with me, queen, the word queen, one more time. Queen. So let's go to the fourth one. Sound E. T and O sound tr. E, tree. When we go to the picture, do you guys remember? I will tell you this. Tree, like the word tree. I said 2 times and you repeat after me. Tree. One more. Tree. So T and O sound tr. Say me 2 times. Tra. Here's the picture of tree. Do you guys see a tree? All of you guys see trees, right? Yes. So let's go to the 5th one. Sound E. St. S-N-T sounds T. St. Stir. Like stir, but not stir. Stir. Like that. Say me. Stir. One more. Stir. Like that. Stir. E. Street. Do you guys know what is street? Yes. Street is for you mummies and daddy to ride cars. Street is for everybody. Here. Say it me 2 times. Street. Oh, street. Street. But this time, that one, I didn't mean to point that, but I didn't see it. Street. One more. Street. Okay, I already showed you the picture over here. So let's go to the 6th one. That is the last one. Okay, guys? Sound E. B sound B. E, B. Do you guys know what is B? Yes. Some of your mommy and daddy eat beehives. Like that. You always eat bee. Like honey like that. But you cannot eat bee. You only eat honey or drink. You drink honey. Here's a picture of bee. That is the small bee. Like a mosquito. Big than a mosquito a bit. Yeah, so I'm teacher already. So goodbye, guys. See you again. So goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell button. See you next time, guys. Bye. Woo-hoo.